Hello. What do we got going on here? Oh yeah. We got a box of the new Wild Ones Dunny series from Kidrobot. This is really exciting because I'm in the series. It's crazy to say. Yeah, it's really exciting. Like this whole month lead up to the release, which is this Friday, February 9th, has been super exciting. So, was able to open up some APs, got to see my figure, go through the whole process of designing it, and yada, 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 all that stuff. And it was so much fun to be involved with, and it's still going on because we're still not even released yet. And it's really cool to have a box of the designs. And this is live, by the way, so feel free to comment if you're watching. I see Joel. What's up, dude? So yeah, let's check out the box. So one of the artists in the series, Johnny Draco, dude right here, he designed the box for this. He works for Kidrobot and is one of the in-house designers there. He recently released his Mr. Watt vinyl figure based on the free X-ray Dunny, or half ray, whatever it's called. And now he has another Dunny in this series. And he also designed the box, like I said, and it's really cool. So he took like little slivers of the eyes of all the designs, or not all the designs, some of the designs to use for part of the box. So you can see the vectors, the ratios, some more of the eyes. There's a Stroll eye right there. So yeah, and the series is Kronk, Squink, Linda Panda, Igor Ventura, me. I don't know why it's zooming in like that. What is going on? Oh, easy camera. Okay, new camera, by the way. Divine, Sharon Park, and Johnny Draco. So let's go and open this up. Or actually, we should look at the ratios so we can see what we're in for. So here, let me hold this up. And let me see if I can get this thing to focus down on just that right there. Can we get it to focus? 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 There we go. Let's get a little bit closer. All right, so starting over here, got some Kronk designs. Igor Ventura. He's got the chase, one of the chases, 1 out of 96. And Linda Panda. You know, the Divine, Johnny Draco, Sharon Park, Linda Panda, those 3 super cute ones. And then we have the Strolls. We got a chase, as well as the red Squink designs too. So let's go and open this up. Let's see if we can get this thing to focus a little bit better. All right. So there's no rhyme or reason to how we do this, I don't think. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this on camera. Sure. Here we go. Here's the box. You can see the ratios a little bit better. Wild Ones. Wonder which ones we're gonna pull. What do you guys cut? Do you do the bottom or the top? I think I'm gonna do the. I'll go with the top. Got a brand new knife for Christmas, so it should make this pretty easy to do. All right. There we go with the Kronk. This is Daredevil. He is a 3 out of 48. Nice clean design. All deco, all vector. No sculpting. Color me unlucky. He's been through hell and back, hasn't he? Got some bandages. Evil. Let's say evil too. Zoom. Come on, camera. Come on, right there. Let's move away a little bit. Evil too. There we go. Cool. Kronk. It's been pretty cool being part of this, like I mentioned before, the process. One of the things is I was talking, private messaging to the artists that were involved. A lot of them, actually. It was fun to kind of just bounce designs and talk to them about what they did. So here's the Linda Panda one. This is the, which one is this? This is the Panda. That's 2 out of 24. And it comes with a little fart cloud. So it doesn't attach, but it kind of sits behind and sits next to it. Super cute. So it's a panda in bunny clothing with a fart cloud with hands. It's a fun accessory. Really, really, it's like a clear ABS. All right. So that ratio is 2 out of 24. So there should be 2 of those in this case. Let's see if it's right next to it. And what do you know? Doodles. Alright. That's a double. This guy up. What's in this bag? Oh, cool. Got the Squink. What's this? He is Panic. This grayscale one. See if we can get it to focus up on it. Might have to do a little autofocus here. Come on. There we go. Super clean lines. Kidrobot did really good on this. The deco. And he has a little hole in his head. Because there's like a little rain cloud that goes above it. This thing up faster so you can see that this actually inserts right in the head. So there it is right there. Really cool. So he is 2 out of 24, so there should be 2 of them in this case. Nice work, Squink. Next. And dupe. Seems like all the dupes are right next to one another. So let's see what this one is then. This is another Linda Panda, and this is the Tiger. This is 1 out of 24. So it's a tiger in a bunny suit. Really clean deco as well. Little tail peeking out the trapdoor. Let's open up the little fart cloud accessory. So it's a tiger fart, obviously. Winking at me. Hands on the cheeks. So you display it just like that. Or however you want to. Cute. All right, next. Trying to go as fast as I can. I know a full unboxing is can run a little long, so I'll try to hurry. What's going on? This thing's got a lot of glue on it. Watch me cut myself on that video. Once again, you guys that are watching, feel free to chime in, chat, write a comment. I will see them and respond. Another Linda Panda, so it looks like we got all 3. This is the elephant. This one is 2 out of 24, just like the panda. Little tail sticking out, stitching. Nice and simple design. I really like that. No sculpting on it. Doesn't need it, but it has a cute little accessory. An elephant fart. Funny story. I was at the zoo once with my girlfriend, now wife, with a friend of mine. We were at the zoo. We were looking at the rhinos, and they were eating like 5 feet away from us. It was actually at the San Diego Safari Park. And just out of nowhere, that rhino just rips one. It was funny. It was loud. It was super stinky. There you go. Never heard an elephant fart, but I'm sure it's very similar to a rhino. Okay. Next. Let's pull a Stroll. Where my Strolls at? Oh, we got a dupe. Elephant. All right. Guys, the Kronk. This guy is hype death then. You can see it's 1 out of 48. So he's like a hype beast. Hyped out. Looking for the next big drop. Shoot, it could be a Dunny drop. Hype it up. Looks like it's got some like white powder on it or something, which it rubs off. No big deal. Such a fun figure. The sculpt is rad, and the head actually articulates. So that jaw just kind of, you kind of see that jaw just sticks kind of sideways. Dig it. The eyes bulging out, the smiley faces. He's wearing like a fighter pilot helmet hoodie. That probably references something, but I'm not too hip on the all the hype stuff. All right, that's great. So that one is Hype Death Then, 1 out of 48. Here we go. Next. All right, another Squink. This is really cool. So this is the Bubblegum Bear. 2 out of 24. So there's going to be 2 in this case, hopefully. Once again, just super clean lines. The finish on this is kind of glossy, you can see, with some matte details. You guys, the QC on this is insane. Like, the lines are really crisp. Bravo, Kidrobot. So this is the Bubblegum Bear from Squink, 2 out of 24. You guys got to follow Squink too. He's doing some hand-painted versions of these production pieces, and they're unreal. Nice. So if everything kind of mocks what's happened already, this should be another Squink. Same one, dupe, because they're 2 out of 24. And it is Peekaboo. Yes. Down to the last one on the first row. That one opened easy. All right, here we go. What will this one be? Sweet. The Sharon Park one. So Sharon actually helped me. She was my contact at Kidrobot. So when I had questions about the designs on my Stroll, I was in contact with her, and she was a master at helping. I'm going to butcher this name. Dokabi? So this is 1 out of 24. And from what I've seen, this is like super glossy, metallic inks. He's kind of supposed to be displayed that way. So you turn the body around, chin in the air. It's like a yokai or something like that. Really, really, once again, clean lines. Like, look at that. Look at the QC on this, guys. And it's like a metallic silver on a gloss black. Nice, nice work. He's fun. All right. Next, bottom row. We have yet to pull a Stroll. I'm feeling pretty confident. I I think that this bottom row, we're going to find some. Maybe pull the chase. We don't have any Igors yet. Josh and Johnny's. Let's see what this one is. Oh. There we go. Josh Divine. This is Howlin' Hank. Really nice work. Yeah, I really like these. I hope the video is clear enough for you guys so you can see it. What I'm seeing, it looks really clear, so I'm hoping it's the same for you. I picked up a new webcam for this. J Divine. Speaking of, since we have Josh and Sharon's pieces here, they're doing a release up in Colorado. And all three of those artists are going to be there. If anybody's living in Colorado watching this, you guys should go out on Friday and support. Pick it up, get some pieces signed by them. Next. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We are just over 21 minutes. Let's see what happens. And we got a dupe. So that is 2 out of 24. Expected. Next. I hate when that happens. That's what the other side's for. Hey, we got a Stroll. There he is. Really stoked on how this guy turned out. Looks like there's a little something on the back. Look at the booty. Look at that booty. Some dimples. So this OG white Stroll is 1 out of 24. So you're going to get one in your case, at least. If the ratios hold up. Man, it's so cool. Opening a box out of a case of Kidrobot Dunnies and you get to pull your own. Like, what? It's so cool. Next is, oh nice, Igor's. So this is his Aries. And this is 2 out of 24. So I'm guessing the next one next to it will be a dupe. 2 out of 24. Really nice line work. Good vector. 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Animals. Filthy animals. That's a fun Dunny. You know what else is fun is the whole, if you get all 3, that's really cool. He put a lot of thought into his designs. So I'm guessing this will be a dupe. A dupe. We will see. Yep. Peekaboo. So far, I mean, the ratios are living up to what it says. Nothing out of the ordinary. It looks like this might just be a basic case. Doesn't look like any chases so far. We'll see though. You never know. Oh, there's the other Kronk. So this is the color version of his Hype Death. This is Hype Death now instead of Hype Death then. I'm torn. I'm torn between the two. I don't know which one I like best. Let's find the other one. Here it is. There you are. They're really cool. Pipe. The eyes stick out so far. And it's kind of cool because it's obviously front heavy. The tongue acts as a balance point. Clever. Nice engineering. So that one is 1 out of 24. So should only be one in that case. Getting down to it, folks. A few more left. The last Squink. Oh my gosh, so good. I love me some Yetis. So there's an 8-inch version of this coming out too. One thing I don't know, so there should be 2 of these. We'll see what's next. I don't know if the design changed at all for the 8-inch, or if it's just a direct pickup. Either way, that's super clean. Really like all the Squink stuff. Stoked on it. 2 out of 24. All right, next. What do we have here? A dupe. Kono the Yeti. Yep, 2 out of 24. I wonder if I'll pull my bloody Stroll. I've yet to see a photo of that online. I'm going to keep it a mystery too. I could show you. I'm going to keep it a mystery. So here is Johnny Draco's. I really dig this. So his name is Kaiju, which means monster in Japanese. And as you can see, he's a monster. I dig, like, it looks like he has tentacle arms and they're crossed and they're under the jacket. At least that's what it looks like to me. I'm not sure like what the intent was. Some horns, Dunny skull. Really, really nice deco. Nice QC. Like, this is, dig it. Nice work, sir. He's a wild one. What do we got going on here? All right. So it looks like there's only 3 more. What don't we have? We don't have few. But I will show you. I'll show you the ones we don't get. Of mine, at least. Alright, there's Igor's other design. Monocle in one eye. Metallic. I will work harder. So, I don't know if you're familiar with it, but this is based on George Orwell's Animal Farm novel, his 3 designs that he did. This is Benjamin, and he is 2 out of 24. So it looks like we're going to get 2 of him. So there should be one right next to it. And then whatever is this one right here, I'm unsure. So this is probably Benjamin. And it is. All right. The mystery. Okay, so we pulled every... Okay, so we don't have that one, Napoleon Chase. And we don't have a Bloody Stroll or a Midnight Stroll. So it's going to be one of those 3. I mean, shoot, I want that one. I got the other ones. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get lucky and pull Igor's. That one's cool. Oh, they're really good. Here we go. I don't cut myself on the last one. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a Stroll. Oh, snap. You guys, you get to see the bloody one. Good case. So that right there is your first look at the bloody version of the Stroll. He got a little tussle, but he won. He definitely won. Got some blood everywhere. So there it is. The bloody Stroll. Thanks, Louie. Yeah, so that one's gonna be tough to get. What's I think we figured it out kind of. We think it's 1 out of 96. So, because I think we did ran some numbers and stuff, and I think it's the same as the Napoleon. I mean, we could be off, but Igor and I were trying to figure it out. So there it is, the last one. How fitting, right? The bloody Stroll. So sick. Got my little logo on the bottom. They'll have their logos. So, the Wild Ones, you guys, Kidrobot releasing this Friday, right? Really exciting. Let me show you the other Strolls that I didn't pull in the case, but I have right here. So, here is the Midnight variant. really like the way this guy turned out. And then Justin, we pulled the regular. And then you guys, this is the case exclusive. Glow in the dark. The ice Stroll. The true Yeti. Had to do a Yeti colorway. Really dig that one too. So let's see here. Get this thing to focus. So then you have the OG. And then since we pulled the bloody one, might as well show them, right? There's all four. Unreal. Like I'm holding my own production Dunny. I don't think I will ever get used to that. What an honor to be involved. The Stroll, really cool. Wow, thank you all for watching. So we got some good polls, I think. I mean, we're missing the Igor one, but other than that, let me see. Can I take this thing off? Unclip the camera or something like that so I can bring it down here. How does that work? Okay. Pardon me for a second. Never mind. That's not going to unwind. Ooh, that was fun. I'll lay it down like that. Why not, right? So there's a Squink. Igor. There's Johnny Draco. Here's the Kronk. Here's the other Stroll. Here's the other Kronk. Panda. Sharon Park. And Josh Divine. So that's our case right there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dupes out of the case of 24. What's up, John? Louis. I'll have APs of all four. I'm going to do something really nice for that. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get it done. Hopefully in the next month or so. Shouldn't be too long after that, but I'm going to do something really nice for all four. So, I mean, I've said it before to some people. It's like, it's not every day or every year or every month like that you get a Dunny. So I want to do something really, really nice so that collectors can have it, and I'll feel good about, giving them something that I'm proud of. So I'll do something really cool for it. But yeah, dude, everybody, thank you for watching. Once again, the Wild Ones releasing this Friday. Crazy. February 9th. My own Dunny in a Dunny series from Kidrobot. Insane. This is just... Kidrobot.com will have 50 cases available, and it will come with the case exclusive. There are other stores that get them too. I have no idea how rare these are, but I do know that these are probably the rarest out of all of them. So if you guys are going to go in for a case, make sure that whoever you're buying from, maybe you can secure that, or get online early at Kidrobot and snag a case. But definitely, this is worth it. It's so cool. It glows really good too. I took a photo with it on my Instagram. You guys can go look at it, of it glowing. Super cool. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Kidrobot. Thank you, Kidrobot. Thank you, Frank Kozik, for making this happen. I've been in the works for a while with some other folks at Kidrobot. So, I mean, this is about 5 years in the making for me. So, it's fun. But thank you for watching. 40 minutes, almost 41 minutes, live broadcast, Kidrobot Dunny unboxing. Peace, y'all.